Good morning all to my viewers and good morning to all my students. So let's start today the next part of this chapter. The next part of the last class we discussed about the structure of female reproductive system and what are the organs involved in the female reproductive system that are discussed in last class. So today I discuss about the sections of ovary. So let's start about the next part, the section of ovary. When the longitudinal sections of just when you take the longitudinal sections of ovary that found the what are the internal structure. So let's know that the ovary contains number of ovarian follicle with the mature oocyte. So generally the ovary contain what the number of the follicles, that ovarian follicle in immature state, that is the word ovarian follicle present in immature, they are not in the mature form, that is found in the transverse sections when taking the ovary. Then after that what happened, you found at the puberty of puberty, the primary follicle gets surrounded by a more layer of granular cells and the new take off to form the follicle cells. Generally, the immature ovaries having some follicle that is called immature follicle, and after puberty, puberty means those phase in where that is the development of the maturity of the females, that is from the word that is the puberty, and that is takes place means the secondary sex organ form in that stage, and that age is the word that the 12 to 13 onwards, that is the puberty phase. And at that puberty is what happened, the primary follicle gets surrounded by a more layer of granular cell. जो primary follicle था उसमें बहुत सारा layers form होगा, and that layers is the granular cells and the new theca to form secondary follicle. The primary follicle first रहेगा और उसके बाद क्या form होगा, the secondary follicle. So here given the primary follicles, and primary follicles they are mature to the word that is the secondary follicles. In the primary follicle they form the word secondary primary follicles. Then after that what happened, they form to the secondary follicle, transfer into the tertiary follicle characterized by a fluid filled cavity is called atrum, that is called vatrum. So in this what happened, the secondary follicle when the follicle inside of fluid कुछ liquid इसमें form होगा उसको क्या कहते हैं, that is called the word secondary follicle, that cavity is called the word antroms, and that mature form is called the Graafian follicle. इसको आप क्या कहेंगे, when the oocyte matures, that is the ovarian follicles develop in the Graafian follicle. oocyte जब develop होगा उसे क्या कहेंगे, that is Graafian follicles. And the Graafian follicle made of outer fibrous theca external and inner, that is called interna. इसका दो layer रहता है, outer is the externa, inner is the interna, and the inner that is having the 10 to 50 layers of follicle cell form the membrane of granula. So generally जो inside that interna that form the 10 to 15 layer of cell, and that is from the what, that is from the granula. This is the maturity of the, that is the follicles. And the C-shape antroms, the fluid is secreted by follicle with the FSS and LH hormone और estrogen. जो antrom है उसमें से कौन सा हार्मोन रिच होगा, FSS. FSS means follicle stimulating hormone, LH means luteinizing hormone. और उसकी बात क्या secret होगा, उसमें estrogen भी also form. During the ovulations, the Graafian follicle release the ovum. तो यही है आपका प्रोजन. The ovulations क्या होता है, what is the ovulation, the release of ova, and when the ova is formed, when the Graafian follicle matures, जब आपका primary follicle that formed the Graafian follicle, and that Graafian follicle become mature to release the one ovum, and when they release the ovum, जब वो ये release ovum कर देता है, the changes into form the corpus luteum, that is called the what, corpus luteum that form, and it secrete the progesterone hormone to maintain the pregnancy. So that is the when the release that from the corpus luteum the progesterone hormone secrete होता है to maintain the pregnancy periods. If the ovum unfertilized, अगर ovum unfertilized होगा, the corpus luteum generate and into mass fibrous tissue is called the corpus albumicina, and the corpus albicans, that is that, and that is called corpus albicans. And if the mature if the not fertility released outside the body as a cycle, that is called the menstrual cycle. So if the mature, that maintain the pregnancy, if the if the ovum is fertilized, it maintain pregnancy. If it not fertilized, it will be what, the corpus luteum generate to mass fibrous tissues corpus albicana to cause the what, some bleeding in the female, and that is called menstrual cycle. And that is the textless word, that is the sections of ovary you found that such type of the phages takes place inside the ovary. So I told that how the sections of that ovaries that takes place. The first is the mature state, that is some oocyte, बहुत सारा oocytes form होता है. Then the oocytes mature into the what, primary follicles, then primary to secondary follicle, then to Graafian follicle. When the Graafian follicle matures, that is release on ovum. ये क्या release करता है? Ovum release करता है. When the release of ovum, the rest part is the release that is called corpus luteum. Corpus luteum क्या आता है? The corpus luteum, if it is fertilized, they release the what? They release the hormone and maintain the pregnancy. If you are not fertilized, that what happened? The corpus luteum mature to form the corpus albicans, and again the next cycle is continuing as that the menstrual cycle is takes place. So in this way, that is the first part is the known as the what, that is the ovulation takes place in this ovary. So how the ovulation takes place, that is the less knowing that the process of formation of ova is called the oogenesis. जो process formations होगा ova उसको क्या कहेंगे? oogenesis. तो ये oogenesis में क्या होता है? Less knowing that जो अभी मैं बता देगी रेस्ट part में. So first the ooganium. First is the what? Ooganium undergoes mitosis. Undergoes what? Mitosis to form the what? Oogonia. जो आपको बता रही थी बहुत सारा oocyte immature oocytes रहेगा that form the oogonia. And the oogonia the cell growth होगा and cell differentiation होगा to form the what? Primary oocyte. To form the what? Primary oocyte. Again this primary oocyte undergoes meiosis 1 to form the what? Secondary oocyte. And secondary oocyte जब form होगा, it release one polar body, that is called fast polar body. This is the secondary oocyte, it release the what? Fast polar body. And when it undergoes the second meiosis division to the form what, that is one the that is the second polar body also form, and the second polar body that is the form. The no oogonia form added after the birth. Birth होने के बाद कोई भी oogonia form नहीं होता. Generally during the birth period the मैक्सिमम ओगोनिया फॉर्म इन द फीमेल. जब बर्थ होने के बाद कोई भी ओगोनिया फॉर्म नहीं होता है. आफ्टर द ओगोनिया एंटर दिस प्रोसीड, ये प्रोसीजर से एंटर करके क्या फॉर्म करता है? दिस दैट इज द डिफरेंट फेज. सो जनरली ड्यूरिंग द प्यूबर्टी द oocytes रिस्टार्ट इन द मेयोटिक डिवीजन. तो यही oocyte जो ओगोनिया है मेयोटिक डिवीजन होगा, जो बता रही थी. दिस कंप्लीट आल्सो द थ्री फेज, मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज, ग्रोथ फेज एंड मैच्योरेशन फेज. एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज में क्या हुआ, जो बता रही थी अभी, ओगोनिया माइटोसिस डेवलप हो गया. क्या होगा? ओगोनिया फॉर्म होगा and the oogonia that is called the, and the follicle cell. And the growth phase में क्या होगा? One diploid oogonia undergoes that the cell growth and differentiate to form the what? Primary oocyte. ये कौन सा phase में जाएगा? Growth phase में. And after that maturation phase में what happen? The fully primary oocyte form the secondary oocyte, then Graafian follicles. How it form the Graafian follicles? That is the second polar body, fast polar bodies that form. And how it is formed? That is the by the in the maturation phase. The fast polar body also undergoes equal division, the two cells, and during oogenesis, 4 cells are produced, and among the 4 functional otid, the 3 are non-functional polar bodies, and 1 otid or oogonia very little becomes the ovum. तो इसमें से 4 फॉर्म होता है functional otid, लेकिन 3 are non-functional. इसमें चारों, one is functional otid, 4 otid form होता है, that is oogonia, that is ovum form होता है. उसमें से generally the 3 are the non-functional, but 1 remain functional. So this is the what is the function of the what? The function of the oogonia and the process of oogenesis. The oogenesis and process of oogenesis. If the ovum is not fertilized, that last part I told, that it will be released as a breaking of the tissues, that is from the one menstrual cycle. And the reproductive cell menstrual cycle, what happened, it will be learned our next class. So thank you. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. If you like my video, just share, subscribe, and say like. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.